me. It's me. I'm back. I'm back, and I'm doing stuff. And, it is toasty. It is toasty in here. This is a little bit impromptu, and, just gonna be a little quick. But, I was out of town for a week, and that's why I was kind of, I was in Louisiana. And that's why I was kind of, I didn't have a lot to post last week. But, I did get some things posted, so I wanted to take, like, a closer look at those. Especially, like, the 70th anniversary ones are pretty neat. And announce that I'm going to be doing that on Fridays. See, I got, like, notes here. Fridays, I'm going to be posting a little wrap-up of the stuff that I do the shorts for the week before. So, I think that'll be pretty cool. Get a little bit more long-form stuff and give my opinions on things, because everybody knows that they want my opinion. Anyways, probably not. It is hot in here, and I feel like I'm talking fast. It's been a while. Just trying to get back into the vibes. Anyways, Matchbox. Let's talk about these 70th anniversary boys. Now, I found all of them except the Porsche, and I had to go on a super long drive everywhere, and I found the Porsche, and then, like, 2 days later, I found about 40 more of them. So, what are you going to do? I do love the, like, matte orange that are on these. Like, it's a really nice kind of matte orangey sort of situation. Let's put it on the close-up here. Oh, it's such a good-looking Porsche. I mean, they're all pretty good-looking. I mean, the Hummer's pretty cool. It looks like the dog Hot Wheels, I guess it would be called. So anyways, back to my silly face. Didn't I used to have did I have a camera in there? We're back. I figured out that I needed to put my little camera in the corner, but anyways, we're back. Yeah, the Matchboxes, these are a really fun set if you can find them. I found mine at Wegmans. Again, we got the Hummer with the little front trunk there. We got the Mazda, I believe, with its little back opening guy. Got a lot of detail in there. A little bit more of the interior. The ambulance and the C8 are pretty sweet too. But let's get to the dollar store Porsche, because not dollar store Porsche, Dollar Tree Porsche, the one from the promotion. I finally got around to opening one, and boy, are they shiny. They are so shiny and pretty, and if you didn't get one, that sucks. Whew. Let's take a closer look at this before I completely melt. I love this. I'm glad I got a whole bunch of them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all the other ones. I'm going to keep one boxed, and obviously I have one here that's opened, but I think it was worth it. I mean, it was $20 worth of Hot Wheels, plus I think it was probably like $7 shipping, I think, around there, so not really all that bad, plus you got 20 other Hot Wheels out of it, so not bad. I'd do it again. I gotta find more of the there's a Matchbox promotion going on and a Hot Wheels promotion going on, so I gotta get some of those, but that's a whole nother discussion. We also had some, let's put Mr. Porscheman down here, we had some Matchbox this week. So these ones are cool. I'm glad this new box is out. I love this little ice cream truck. It's really cool. You guys seem to like it as well. It's gotten quite a few views on the unboxing, but it's just a cute little ice cream van. This guy, this looks like a Tonka truck to me. I really like it. I think it's cool. Has a little 8-ball on the top. At least I think it's an 8-ball. And some little, like, I don't know, camping supplies there. Take a little closer look at it. Let's adjust the camera there a little bit. Beep. There we go. Ish. Yeah, no, it's a cute little thing. It looks like a Tonka truck. The little Honda is adorable. I love this thing. This thing is so cute. It's got a lot of details on it. The little Honda 55. I love it. I want more colors of it. Dr. Mattel, if you could get on that would be fantastic, because I want more of those. Those are cool. I like those. What else did we have? We had the Ford Coupe, which is pretty cool. Just kind of plain, to be honest. I got this on clearance because it was ripped open and then it was taped, so it was an untaping. So that was pretty fun. We did this little guy. I think I want to cut it open and make it into a convertible. But I don't know. Maybe we'll do that at some other point in time. And then the last one we're going to take a close look at is this Porsche here. I like this off-road Porsche, but then again, I'm coming to find out that if it's a VW Beetle or a VW Bus or a Porsche, I'm going to buy it. I don't know why. It's just, those are my things. But let's take a little closer look at it because I really like this. I like this little Porsche guy. Look at that. It's all silver and shiny. It has a 70th anniversary thing on it. I think it's pretty cool. But anyways, that's the end of the stuff that I wanted to go over. Again, I'm going to start doing these on Fridays. Fridays, I should have a little bit of a longer form video going over what we had. And, yeah, we got a lot of stuff for next week. I was on vacation, like I said. Not really vacation, but I was out of town. And I found a lot of stuff. And I found a lot of stuff today. I actually think I think it's K-Case that's coming out. So I found a whole bunch of those. So we're going to have a bunch of stuff to open. There's going to be a lot more shorts. Again, thanks to all the new subscribers. Blow it up. It's awesome. Number goes up, and it makes me really happy. I do read all of the comments, and thank you guys for reaching out. Again, international homies, I only speak English, but I translate all your comments, and I try to reply. Sometimes the translation doesn't really work, so apologies if I don't reply. It's just that, Google can only do so much, unfortunately. But I'll see you next Friday. Until then, there's going to be a whole bunch of shorts this week. See you later, wheelers. Keep on wheeling. Oh, I can do the desk thing. Oh. Okay, we're not going to do them. Okay, goodbye. Bye-bye.
It's my friend Friday, you little goober.